Just reading online all about the news up in Canada, because I'm down south enjoying the warm winter here. Justin Trudeau and all this bullshit he's pulling. And it reminded me, back in '72, I believe it was, when his father Pierre was in power. I was taking a trip down to Florida, and we stopped in a southern town somewhere. I can't remember where it was, but we were getting some probably burger and fries, you know, for the road. And this young southern waitress, she's at the table, and I'm asking her for some vinegar for my French fries. She hasn't. What? Vinegar? Well, yeah, why y'all want vinegar? I said, put on my French fries. And she says, we use it to clean. Maybe we have some under the sink. So we got a laugh out of that. They didn't put vinegar on French fries. So then we're talking. Oh yeah, you guys are from Canada. Oh, y'all from Canada up there, up in Canada, yeah. Oh, well, nice, y'all welcome and all that. Being friendly, Southerners, as they are. And then she looks at us and says, they tell us at school that your prime minister's a communist. Is that true? So there you have it, folks. That's the way Justin was brought up. You can't help it. There's another nice sunset. Oh. 20-mile-an-hour winds right now. 20-mile-an-hour winds.
Yeah, they're pretty strong.
Yeah.
So that guy mentioned it this morning. He said we're going to get some wind. But is it supposed to go on all night?
Well, I don't know. Check that out. I don't know. Nobody on the beach. Just me and you. Just me and you.
Thank you very much.